The next one I'm going to make, let's see, how close can I get to this? Can you see that? Is a square in a square in a square. So isn't that easy? All I need, and I can tell this without even working it out in my head, that the inside square is 4.5 inches because it's exactly the same as this one is going to be. And then all the way around it here will be the opposite color. And then all the way around is going to be the same as the one inside. Or it could be different if you wanted to choose something different. But instead of making them an inch wide, mine are going to be 4.5 inches. So I've decided I have a piece of this pink. It's going to be the color that I put along there next. And I'm going to make that square. But it's so easy. Just cut the 4.5 inch strip piece for the center. Make a strip 4.5 inches. You know this one is 4.5 inches square, and this one is 4.5 inches square, and this is just a row that's 4.5, 4.5, and this row is going to be the length that just add it up, measure it and add it up. It's going to be very easy to make. So I finished it already because it really is quite easy. All of my rows are 4.5 inches wide all the way around. So I started in the middle with a 4.5 inch square. And because I had a little bit more pink than I thought I did, I thought I just had one strip, but I didn't even use this strip. I had a wider strip the same. So I put more pink in because when you put the blocks together, one next to the other, I'm not going to put sashing in at the end. So I don't want to have this fabric at the border of all of the pieces, only half the pieces. So they don't tend to blend into each other when you sew the blocks together at the end. So I'm going to try to do something that is one of the other feature colors around the outside, or for most of them, I think I can pick out which ones are going to have the other color. We'll see how it goes. Or when I place them together, it's going to be different. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Time will tell. But anyway, this one was really easy because I just did 4.5 inch block here, 4.5 inch block here, and here to make this center row. Then this is the distance of 3 blocks. So 4, 4, 4 is 12, 12.5 inches, 12.5 inches by the same width. And then I did this piece along here and this piece along here. So same thing, 3 threes. And then up the side to finish it off. So this measures 20.5 inches to the edge. When the seam allowances are taken off, they'll be 20 inches big. So the next one, when we get the pattern next month, I have, remember that inspiration that I started with at the beginning with these pieces. I now am going to go with this brighter limey green and think about what I could put together with this brighter limey green and this piece to do the next block. I don't know which block they're going to give us next, but whichever one it is, I'll figure it out and use that brighter limey green with it. Anyway, that's it for this time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.